Hello everyone, Jeremy, hope all is well. Missed you guys. I just wrapping up my presentation on Seesaw as we prepare to utilize this platform to wrap up the school year. I wanted to give a couple quick shout outs. First, shout out to Fort Hayes and learning how to do this. Here's to working on getting a master's. Also, I wanted to give a shout out to Sandy. Sandy helped come up with some different things that you'll see on here, some of the different ideas we'll discuss. So I want to give her a shout out too for helping me out with this. So yeah, just a Seesaw overview. The top of these links they'll end up being red because I'm recording some videos to walk you through those top 5 items. Those are things that we felt needed to be discussed a little bit more intently and could be helpful for you. The bottom 3 resources are all great Seesaw resources that would be helpful for you to check out if you need some additional help. And as with anything, if you need help walking through stuff, please feel free to give Sandy or I a shout out. We'd love to FaceTime with you if we need to, or whatever we need to do. We want to help you out, so and help you feel comfortable utilizing this as we wrap up the school year. So without any further ado, we'll get started here.